With the recent launch of our new SpeedCouple and EMT products, we wanted to provide you with a brief video overview of these products, including some recommended installation instructions. The first product I'm going to talk about is the SpeedCouple product. The SpeedCouple is available in rigid conduit and conduit elbows, sizes 2" through 5" and IMC conduit, sizes 2" through 4". The speed coupling is equipped with a set screw. This set screw is used for installation purposes. It locks the internal swivel ring so the coupling can be installed. Once installed, it's firmly tightened in place using either channel locks or a strap wrench or other approved wrench. The set screw is then loosened to allow the coupling to slip. If the coupling becomes loose during shipping or it needs to be removed, the set screw can be retightened for those purposes. In order to connect two conduits, there's two different methods you can use. One is with the coupling loose. This will allow a little bit of variation if the threads aren't aligned properly. Again, once you take channel locks and firmly tighten in place. The advantage, of course, with the elbows is you no longer have to turn the elbow. You just turn the speed coupling. To attach two conduits, the process is similar. It can either be done with the coupling loose, if the threads aren't quite in alignment, or it can be done with coupling threaded onto the conduit. To do this, just simply line up the ends, reverse thread the coupling onto the conduit, and tighten. These products are all UL listed. The rigid conduit and conduit elbows are listed to UL 6. The IMC conduit is listed to UL 1242, and the coupling itself is listed to UL 514B. These products are allowed to be installed in all occupancies and locations permitted in the NEC or as approved by the local authority having jurisdiction. If you have any questions about these products, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.